Oh, white team, white team. You got me, bro. You got me. Oh, don't worry about it. It's cool. I got scared too. Don't worry.
I'll take the damage.
No, I got it. I got it. Don't worry. No worries.
I love you.
Love you too.
See the guy in the red shirt. Oh, this is unused. Score. Not good?
Go to the castle. Go to the castle. Take it over. Someone put the blue flag up. Gun hit, gun hit. You messed over. Messed with my lap. All right, we're good, we're good, we're good. We gotta watch this container. My gun's locking up. Hit. Where you see him? Where you see him? Got him, got him, got him. Got him.
Good shots.
Conic, straight ahead, straight ahead. Go around the other side. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Down, 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 get down. Stand back over here and keep an eye on the left side. Watch out. Keep your gun inside. Just keep it on semi. Okay. Get ready to run, okay? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Get to cover. Watch this container. Watch 17. Got another guy. But 17, just keep eyes on that. There is a guy there with a really good setup. I'm going to move forward, okay? Just keep your eyes on that. Got another guy.
They reclaimed the whole back.
That's fine. Where's he at?
Container to our right.
Got it. I got one of those guys in there.
I got two.
Sweet.
One didn't call.
Of course.
Yeah, he held his dick and didn't call it. The window and the door on container right.
Okay, you want
Plus the castle, that's where they're all at.
Gotcha. Yeah, I figured as much. Oh. All right.
Thanks.
Ah.